puppies. Puppies having a second meal today. This is kibble, adult dog dry kibble with some hot water, so it's get a little bit softer, and I put some cottage cheese. I also give them regular dry kibble, but I noticed that it's easier for them to eat when it's a little bit watery. So I put it here. Once they will finish this, I will bring them second one, or I will just add there. We'll see how it will goes. They definitely prefer eat just the raw meat, but I never feed just the raw meat or any cooked meat. It's not enough for development. I always give some dry food, soups, vegetables, fruits. For puppies, it's always some dairy, dry kibble, and meats. Raw eggs, I also give her raw eggs. I mix it with food. Onika, Onika.